Hi, Charlie here, and today I want to talk about the top 5 mistakes people make when they get arrested for a DWI. Okay, number 1 is ignoring the bond requirements. Okay, the paperwork they give you when you get out of jail can be very confusing, but you really need to make sure that you're complying with the rules. And often on a DWI, not all the time, but often there's an ignition interlock device requirement. And you have 30 days to get it. But sometimes people wait till the 29th day and then they find out, oh, whoops, I can't get it scheduled right away. It's 2 weeks out. Anyway, talk to an attorney to figure out what it is you have to do to make sure you don't violate any of the rules. The second mistake is allowing your driver's license to get suspended and not doing anything about it to drive legally. Okay, so one of the things that happens on a DWI arrest is an automatic suspension, but we can request a hearing called an ALR hearing that will delay that suspension and give us a shot at stopping it entirely. Okay, and if we can't stop it entirely, an attorney will be able to get you an occupational driver's license. And so we just don't want you to get in trouble again for driving on a suspended license. The third thing is don't assume the worst about this charge, especially if you are searching the internet for information about the consequences of a DWI. The internet is full of old information. It's full of information that's correct in different counties but wrong in Travis County. Don't panic. Talk to an attorney that works in Travis County, and because they'll be able to tell you what the likely result or the likely consequences of your type of situation. Okay, the fourth thing, do not continue the same behavior, okay? And you do have to adjust because even if this is just a one-time thing, you really can't afford to get arrested for it again, because the consequences don't get twice as bad, they get 100 times as bad if you get arrested while this is happening again. And finally, one mistake is to not trust your lawyer or do what they recommend, which sounds kind of crazy that people hire an attorney and then don't do what the attorney says, but I've been doing this 20 years and that happens a lot. Okay, very early in the process, people are willing to do things, or they claim they are, and then as the time comes, you get farther away from the jail cell, people find excuses to not do the things that we recommend. And it definitely hurts their case, and it reduces the chance that they get a best result on it. All right, I hope this helps. Call me if you have any questions.